Want to start using the new Aritzia online shopping app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Aritzia app. Note that the app is currently only available on iOS, but we hope to see it available for Android soon. Now let's get started. To download the Aritzia app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Aritzia in the search bar. Tap Aritzia when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start shopping on the Aritzia app. That's all it takes to download the Aritzia app. Want to try out the Sephora shopping app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.